Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You want to start now? Confirm your iPhone is updated and signed into your Apple ID because wallet sync matters. Once done, find the physical loyalty card or the app's QR/barcode. You'll need it. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a pass. Make sure your camera is ready. Wallet will offer options like scan code or add via app. Tap scan code to proceed immediately. This begins the actual capture step. Now you'll capture the card. If you chose scan code, center the barcode or QR in the camera frame and hold steady until Wallet reads it. If the retailer's app supports Wallet, open that app and tap Add to Apple Wallet. This often supplies richer pass data automatically. Once Wallet previews the pass, review name, number, and expiration, correct errors in the app if needed. Tap Add to finish. Make sure you allow Wallet notifications so balance or coupons can update. Finish by opening Wallet and confirming the new loyalty pass appears with accurate details. You can long press it to view options. If available, enable Express Mode for instant tap access and let Wallet update balance or offers via notifications. If the scan fails, try manual entry if the pass shows that option, or open the retailer's app and add from there. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and retry, or contact the retailer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.